Chapter 6. Air and Water. Introduction. Air and water are essential for life. Air is mainly used for breathing and water is used for drinking. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Air contains many gases. All living things breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Water sustains life. It is found in three forms: solid, liquid and gas on the earth. We will study about the importance of air and water in this chapter. We need air and water to stay alive. We mainly use air for breathing and water for drinking. Air is all around. We cannot see the air, but we can feel it when it starts moving. The moving or blowing air is called wind. High-speed winds can uproot trees. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of several gases. It mainly consists of nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. The remaining 1% contains carbon dioxide, hydrogen, ozone, argon, helium, neon, water vapor and other gases. Oxygen is very important as you need it to breathe and to stay alive. Carbon dioxide is essential for the completion of photosynthesis in the plants. The green plants take carbon dioxide to make food in the presence of sunlight and gives oxygen in daytime. But at night, plants breathe in oxygen and give out only carbon dioxide, so you should not sleep under the trees at night. Thus, this process maintains the proper ratio of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Humidity. The amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere is called humidity. The air in the coastal areas is more humid due to proximity of the sea. The air over the deserts is very dry. Humid air makes you sweat and uncomfortable. This is the reason why a warm day in rainy region makes uncomfortable. Dust and smoke. Dust and smoke are also present in the air. The more is the smoke and dust, the more is the polluted. Properties of air. If we fill air inside a balloon, we will see that the size of balloon increases. We can observe the difference in weight. An inflated balloon has more weight than a deflated one. This shows that air has weight. A deflated balloon occupies less space. The volume of an inflated balloon increases. This shows that air occupies space. On pushing air in a balloon, its size increases. On pushing more air into it, the balloon bursts. Why? Because the balloon could expand only up to a certain limit. It bursts because the pressure of air inside the balloon becomes more than that outside the balloon. This shows that the air exerts pressure. Uses of air. Apart from the use of nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide by plants and animals, all the gases in the air have their industrial uses. Nitrogen is used to pressurize aerosol cans. Oxygen is used in medicines, steel making and metal cooling. Carbon dioxide is the gas that puts the bubbles in fizzy drinks. Argon forms the atmosphere for welding metals such as aluminium. Neon gas is used in advertising glow signboards. Xenon is the gas which is used in photographers' electronic flash. Atmosphere. The blanket of air around the Earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere helps in maintaining the right temperature for the survival of living things on the Earth. It protects from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Water. Water is as vital as air for our survival. All living beings need water to stay alive. Human beings use water for different purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. About 2/3 of the Earth is covered with water. But only very few % of water is fit for drinking. Properties of water. Water exists in three forms: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, vapor. Normally, water exists in liquid form. It changes into vapor when heated at 100 degrees Celsius. It changes into ice when temperature reaches below 0 degrees Celsius. It is the solid form of water and has a definite shape. Water, liquid, does not have any definite shape. It takes the shape of container in which it is poured. Water pollution. The substances that makes the water unfit to use are called impurities. We get water from rivers, ponds, lakes and rain. We also get water from ground by using wells, hand pumps, etc. But water in rivers, ponds and lakes is not pure. Many impurities like dirt, mud and germs are mixed with water and make the water unfit for use. Impurities are of two types. Soluble impurities. All impurities that can dissolve in water are called soluble impurities. For example, salt, potassium and magnesium. Insoluble impurities. All impurities that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble impurities. For example, sand and mud. Purification of drinking water. Impure water may be harmful and leads to many diseases, so we must drink pure water. We can purify water by using the following methods. Boiling. Boiling water for 10 minutes kills the germs present in water and makes the water pure. It is the simplest way to purify water. Chlorination. Addition of chlorine tablets in water to kill germs and to make water pure is called chlorination. Water purifier. Today in the houses, we purify water from electrical water purifiers or RO systems.